Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to be installing the Illuminate light for the door sills. Guys, before we start the install, here is the part number for the door sills. It looks like this. Really nice. Of course, made in China, on the genuine accessories. That's the part number. If you guys are looking to find a place to buy these door sills, I'm gonna put the link in the description for the best price where you can find it online, and of course you can buy it at your local Honda dealership as well. So I'm gonna try to find the best price and put it in the link in the description so you guys can cop the door sills as well. So open it up, comes with these little clips right here, the wiring harness, which I will be showing you guys the install of that, and the actual door seals, and you got some alcohol wipes to stick it down. But I opened one of them to make sure they were good, but you can see the R a little bit like that. The R lights up, and I'm gonna get it out here in a few minutes. So let's start the install right now. All right, so we're gonna be disconnecting the battery, and the whole thing should slide off just like that. So the negative is off. All right, like in my last video, like I showed you guys for installing the glove box light on the 2019s Type R's and the other Civics hatchbacks as well. You lift this down, and the first thing you're gonna do is take this piece off. So to be able to take that piece off right here, you gotta pull it away. There's like 4 clips in it that's holding it, so kind of have to like pop. Yep. So down here you pull it, same thing right here, you pull it, and the whole thing should come right out just like that. As you guys can see, there is 4 clips, 1 2 3 4, and 2 of them that goes into the body up here. So my brother's holding the camera so I can show you guys a detailed video. Like last time, you guys really liked that video. It was very detailed on installing all of the LED lights, brake light, reverse light, etc. So I'm gonna try my best again to make a detailed video for you guys again. So like the last video, you pull the sides in, the glove box falls because it has those 2 notches on each end. The whole thing will just fall like that and hang. And then it has these little 2 clips at the end. It has these little clips at the end, and it just slides out on each side. So glove box is out. So the next thing we're going to be doing is right where the latch is, we're going to be removing these 4 Phillip heads that's right at the top. Two screws at the bottom, one here, and then the other one is right here on the opposite side. So now you're gonna pull it from this side to pop it out of place. Take a little bit of pulling. Just like that. So it's gonna fall like this, and then there's another clip, and then the whole thing should just fall out. Right here is the LED glove box light. You're just gonna pull down on the tab to pull it out. Just like that. This whole thing comes out now, and then everything's gonna slide out. Just like that. Basically, this side is done. We have access to this whole side. So the next top part will be taking out this trim right here on the side of the door. So you should have enough room to just stick your hand underneath there and pull the trim out. Boom, just like that. It's gonna be 2 tabs holding it in place. Okay. This one right here, as you can see, there's 1 clip right there. There's another one back there that is being a pain to try to come out. You also got to watch out for these little clips that's underneath here, the rubber pieces. There's another one right here. You only need to at least pop a little bit of it out, so I'm just gonna leave this one like that. So now it's time to start on the other side. You guys are gonna hear it click. The best way to pull it down, but there are connectors. There's connectors for the traction control, and there's another connector over here for the temperature gauge and there's a hose connected to it, so you got to be very careful pulling this down. Yep, like that. And yep, it's falling already. You just got to push down on this and then pull it out. So just got to be very careful, guys.
Forward, you need to put it like forward like this.
Oh, so you're saying you got to pull it forward?
Yeah, like this, like.
So when it's the hose and then the clip is in there, be very careful because this thing will break. It does have holes and stuff, but be very careful. You just got to pull the hose off and then pop the little clip from this side and it comes up. So right now we're on the driver's side and I'm gonna take the panel right here off. There we go. There we go. So same thing on the other side, the two tabs. It does have this like middle piece that it sits on. So it looks like my dad joined the fun and he's doing the door latch.
Right, well, you got two clips in here. You just put your hand behind of it and
pull
pry
it
it
away.
out.
This wiring harness for the door sill, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. When it comes out the bag, they give you a bunch of zip ties, and it looks like they give you some templates and stuff like that. Here is the harness. So the harness is going to look like this, pretty long. So where all the connections are, one is going to be your fuse, one is a 6-pin connector, and then one is going to be having like a little adapter. This is going to be for the door sill driver side, and then the other side is going to be for the driver side, where you can see a long connection to it. See, it's got some sticky stuff right here, but it should be long enough to go to the other side. So this is how long it is. This is the fuse. It does come with a 2-amp fuse already in it. They have labels to be able to label your fuse, and it also comes with labels, and it comes in different languages. It has Japanese, a bunch of different, and it says step 2A, and it says Illuminate, so you know it's the door sills Illuminate light. So that's pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. Yep, so just like that. Okay, so he's gonna route it on the side. I'm gonna go on the other side.
Okay, look. You see that?
Oh yeah, yep.
Got it?
Yep. So I have it.
Pull it through?
Yep.
Go ahead.
So I'm pulling it through. And I'm gonna show you guys how to route this side as well. This is still part of the whole harness, so I clip this part of the fuse onto this. You just take it off, push it back, and then you clip it on. Same thing with the fuse, you clip it on. So this is just an opening. Now, the 6-point connector, it connects like this. It connects like that. Try to show you guys. It connects like that, and then this will be for the door sill. So I'm gonna back it up so you guys can see the open connector, the fuse, the door sill, and then that's the connector. And I'm gonna show you how he ran it. So he ran it behind, I don't know if you guys can see that wire. There's a wire right here. He routed it behind all the way up here. And it goes right here, but he ran it here. Goes all the way behind through the middle. Let me pull it down so you guys can see. There we go. He ran it between there, all the way back, and it comes even behind the OBD2 sensor is right there, and comes behind there, and comes, the plugs are right here. So we connect it here, the fuse, the opening, the door sill connector, and all of that goes through behind here and goes into the opening over there, as you guys can see right there. This is it right here. And the other side looks like this. It comes from right there, goes up all the way here. You can see it. I put his one zip tie here. You don't need a bunch of zip ties. And then it goes around goes behind it, and then it comes down. It's gonna be behind it like that. So we're setting up the door sill, and as you can see, we're measuring 1.5 inches right there. But I know everyone has it's taller, so you might want it to move it back just a slight from that 1.5 inches. So that's how the 1.5 inches looks right there, and the door sill is gonna line up. So it's gonna look similar to that, as you guys can see. Before we clean the prep of the area, we're just gonna mask off right there and then lift it up and start cleaning the area. He's sticking it back down now. We're just aligning it back to the masking tape. Now he's pushing it back down. He's checking the side to make sure it's lined up. Clips are on the box. It's taped up right here. And yep. So you cut 1.8 inch. He put a tape down first, and then he put the clip on above it, and it's gonna run like that. So you're gonna run the wires, the red and the black side by side, and make sure it's flat all the way. And then he's cutting another one the same size, and then he's gonna put tape on it to see what he's doing like that. And he's gonna put more of that clear tape. It looks kind of like Scotch tape, but it's not. Where's the stuff?
Push this down.
Oh, you push that down and it releases that clip. And then you're just putting it behind that section underneath there.
Push it back up here
and clip it. So he's cutting a piece of the aluminum tape to have some extra security.
And you clip this back up here.
And now he's gonna find a way to route it. It looks like he's going behind the little harness right there to plug it in. So, yep. And then he's gonna stick it somewhere back there. And put in that piece back. Go. Gonna use the 10mm and tire her down. First, tighten up the battery. So just close the hood. And now, when you go to open up the door now, it lights up like this. I probably will take this off later down the road when it starts to get nasty, but that's how it looks. It lights up R like that. Let's make sure the other side is working as well. Yep, and this side is working as well. So pretty dope. Everything came out pretty nice. Looks real nice. I wish it was dark to see how like deeper it gets at night, but in upcoming videos I'll definitely bring it back up and show you guys. Alright guys, so I just finished wrapping up the end of the video here. If this video was very helpful and you enjoyed the video, definitely smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel because there's a lot more content, as you guys can see, that I have for the type art, and I cannot wait to share with you guys. So definitely subscribe for more. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified on every time a video drops. That's it guys. If there is anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.